Stephanie.
Oh, fabulous.
Hi.
Great to have you here today.
Thank you, yes.
So, I see you're kind of gravitating over to the neon over here.
Well, I was thinking something a little more tame, actually.
No,
something more like this.
This one here is a beauty. It's really got the power. It's really got some power there.
I just think it might be a little bit too much power for me.
No,
a little bit too much speed.
They make them real safe these days. Don't worry about it. I think the only way you'll really know how comfortable you are is to get yourself right in the front seat.
You're good.
Here you go. Here, I'll take that from you. You go with that.
Okay, if you're sure.
Let's make this happen. Okay. Oh, Stephanie, you gotta do the door. It's power lock. Yeah. Yeah. There we go. I can't get in until you open it for me. No, that's okay. That's okay. This will be good. Don't worry. You need to open it for me. Oh, there we go. Fabulous. Okay, just make yourself comfortable. There we are.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah, this is nice.
Yeah, they make them real nice right now. Standard. I don't know if you're used to that or not.
We should buckle up.
Oh yeah, no, good idea.
Oh, it is standard.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what are you driving right now?
A minivan.
Oh.
So this may be a little bit more power than I'm used to.
That's okay. That's okay. You always need an upgrade. No, there we go. There we go. We got it started.
You sure it's okay if I take it for a
Yeah.
touchdown?
No, we're good. I'm here. I'm right beside you. We're good to go.
Whoa.
Oh,
It's got quite a bit of power there.
Now it's got a little bit of kick, but that's okay. You just need to ease off on it a little bit. Oh, yeah, no, it's okay. Just you don't. No, there we go. There we go.
Sorry. Sorry.
No, that's okay. Just take it nice and easy. Yeah. No, you see, there's there's the stop sign. That was you blew right through the stop sign. You did. Yeah. No. Yeah. You might want to slow down a little. You are liable for any damages to the car. Yeah, you just might want to ease up on it a little bit. No, whoa, there's a vehicle, whoa, that was a vehicle. Okay, you are liable for any damages to the car. You need to just slow down. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, whoa, that was another stop sign. You just went right through. Yeah, there we go. Okay, you need to stop. You need to stop right now. I need to get out of this vehicle. I don't know what you're doing. You're a crazy person. You need to get out. Stop. Whoa. Oh, whoa. Other vehicles. You are crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna die. Okay, I don't know what your problem is. No. I am calling the cops. Get out of my. You need to get out of my way.
It's okay. There's a camera. There's a camera here. Look, there's a camera. It's a joke.
What's going on?
It's a joke. I'm Stephanie Fair.
Oh,
It's okay. It's just a joke.
oh my goodness, I didn't know.
It's just a joke.
Oh, Stephanie Fair. Can we do that again?
Yeah.